In this tutorial, we are going to solve next arithmetic problem. Let's solve this problem. First of all, we have to denote the denominator and numerator of this fraction and solve it separately. Let's denote numerator as a and denominator as b, and solve them separately. A is equal to, we just rewrite it, 7/5 divided by 1 and 4/7 minus 3/11 times 3. So this is our A, and let's explain you order of operations. First of all, we have to solve everything inside parentheses and inside braces. And first of all, we solve this one, and next this one. I'm giving order of operations. Then it will be this, and the last one is this. Let's solve the first operation. Let's do the first operation. This can be written as 0.5 over 1.25. And if we multiply numerator and denominator by 100, we will have 50 over 125. And if we divide both sides by number 2, it will be 2/5. This one, 2, will be 7/5 divided by this fraction, mixed number with whole part and fraction can be written as improper fraction as 7 times 1 plus 4 will be 11, 11/7. And we can transform division into multiplication and write 7/5 times 7/11, which is 49/55. Let's rewrite what we have here. We have 2/5 plus 49/55 minus 3/11 times 3. Next, to perform what is inside the braces, we find least common multiple of three numbers, 5, 55, and 11. This is obviously 55. Watch previous tutorials to understand what is least common multiple. And since 55 divided by 5 is 11, here we have 1. Here 55 divided by 11 is 5. So we write 2 times 11 plus 49 minus 3 times 15, which is, if we calculate using, for example, calculator, 22 plus 49 minus 15 is equal to 56. 56 times 3. So we calculated our A. Let's leave it in this form, not multiply 56 by number 3. In this form, it will be much more comfortable to continue, and you will see it. Let's next rewrite our b and solve it. Our b is equal to 1.5 plus 1 over 4 divided by 18 and 1 over 3. Let's first give order of operations as usual. Of course, first we have to solve everything inside the braces, then this. What is inside braces can be written as 1 and 5 over 10, 1 and 5, yes, it can be written as 15 over 10, of course, plus 1 over 4. And 15 over 10 is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4. And this common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4. And we will have here 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 1, it will be 7 over 4. And if we rewrite it, we will have 7 over 4 divided by this mixed number with whole part and fraction can be written as 18 times 3 is 54 plus 1, 55 over 3. If we rewrite it, it will be 7 over 4 times 3 over 55. We transformed our division and writing this as a multiplication. So we have 21 over 4 times 55. This is our b. And let's turn back to our initial problem. We have to divide a by number b. Our number a was this, and our number b is this. So a divided by b will be 56 times 3 over 55 divided by 21 over 4 times 55. Let's transform our division to multiplication and rewrite it as 56 times 3 over 55 multiplied to 4 times 55 over 21. Next, let's rewrite, and we will have very simple answer. We can divide 56 and 21 by number 3. We can divide here 3 by 3 and have 1. Here we will have 7. So if we rewrite it, we have 56 times 4 over 7. And 56 is 8 times 7. And we can divide both sides. Divide both sides, and here we have 8. So the final answer of our problem is 8 times 4, which is 32. Thank you very much for your attention. like us and subscribe to see new videos on Open Math Camp.